topic is how to write plan of action of high ODR for negative feedback. Let's write it now. Subject: account is temporarily suspended due to high order defect rate. Then mention your ASIN or order ID. On XYZ date we have received a notification in our Seller Central account stating our selling privileges have been temporarily suspended due to negative feedback. Before writing anything we want to apologize to you that due to our mistake an honest customer of Amazon had to suffer. We have checked our entire inventory and account to figure out the reason behind this mistake and have found that the reason for the defects was poor quality of few products and poor packaging. We have deleted that product, the XYZ ASIN number, which was causing the problem, and now we are going to launch a new product. We will take care that whatever information we have written on the product page is correct so that our customer does not have to face any kind of trouble. We have engaged a new staff for quality check, who will check the quality of all the products before shipping it like: Number 1. Product must be in new condition. Number 2. It should have MRP, customer care details and warranty information. Number 3. The product should not have any defect. Number 4. The staff will make sure to ship all our pending orders the next day for faster delivery. Number 5. Before dispatching the product there will be a proper quality check, in which we will make sure that the product is properly packed or not and the condition of the product is also good or not. We are very serious of doing business on Amazon, and after this incident we would never want any Amazon customer to suffer baka use of us. We apologize to you once again and ensure that such mistakes will never be repeated again in future. We humbly request you to activate our account so that we can do business with utmost care and responsibility and safety of maximum number of customers. We have attached all the documents requested by you in XYZ format. Sincerely yours. XYZ name. XYZ brand. XYZ date. Now let's move toward attachments sending pattern. Number 1. Invoice or receipt from your suppliers, take a print, scan it and send in a PDF format. Number 2. Authorization document PDF format. Number 3. Invoice date should be clearly visible and has been issued in the last 365 days. Number 4. The invoice cover all ASINs. Number 5. Invoice must be issued prior to performance notification. Number 6. The invoice should reflect your sales volume during the last 365 days. The invoice should include contact information of your supplier, i.e. name, website, phone number, email. If you want, I can share a copy in soft form, and if you find it informative, share it with others.